Peugeot 307 pollen filter change. So the pollen filter is behind the lining here, which is connected with two rivets, plastic ones. You can just use a screwdriver or your fingernails to pull them out. They come out like that. Just pull. Do the same for the other side. With them both out, the lining can just be pulled out, as so. And this reveals the panel here, the handle. Now you just pull this out to get the pollen filter. That's the connections at the back. Now you can remove the filter. Pull it out gently. And that's it. Get a new filter. Slide it in. And put the cover back on. Lastly, put the lining back on and you're done.